Hello everybody, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to discuss the questions based on the degree of freedom. Before solving this question, you must understand what is the formula of the degree of freedom. The pushback equations, that is F is equal to 3 L minus 1 minus 2J minus H. Okay. So first we need to calculate the number of links. Now one important thing in the questions, that is here the disk is rolling with slip. What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of that? Now see here, if the roll is not rolling with slip, that means it would be at the same position. If it is not rolling with slip, that means it would be at the same position, it would be in rotation. Okay, but here in the question it is rolling with slip, that means slip is there. That means this play an important role in the mechanisms, because if you remove the roller, if you remove the disc, the mechanisms will change because it is rolling with slip. Okay, so structure will move like that. But if it is not rolling with slip, that means it is in rotation at the same position. There will not be any changes in the mechanisms. Mechanisms will be in the same position. There will not be any motion in the mechanism. Okay. See here. What is the impact of it in the degree of freedom? Let us see. First, we will solve it in a proper manner. That is the correct solution. That is L is equal to, how many links are there? That is 1, 2, 3, and that is 4. So there are 4 links. I will show you what is the effect of this line in the degree of freedom. That is J. J represents the number of binary joints. Okay, if there is a ternary or quaternary joint, convert it into binary form. Okay, so here you can see that all the joints are in the binary form. So 1, that is 1, and that is 2, and that is 3. So there are 3 binary joints. Okay, and is there any higher pair? Is there any higher pair or not? Tell me the answer. Higher pair means, is there any point contact or line contact? See here, it is the point contact. Okay, the roller, the disc which is rolling on the surface, making a point contact with the surface. Okay, so that is one point contact, that is the higher pair. So that is one higher pair. So you will get F is equal to, now put the value in this equation, you will get the final answer. F is equal to 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 multiply 3 minus 1, that is 9 minus 6 minus 1, that is 2. Now this is the correct answer. Okay, now if this line is not written here, if the line is not here, and if it is saying that, if it say that the disc is not rolling with slip, that means that would be the redundant part. Redundant part means, redundant motion means, redundant part or redundant motion is the same. Okay, redundant motions means number of those motions which are not the part of the mechanisms. Okay, so if there is a redundant motions, that means if it is written here that the disk is not rolling with slip, that means there will be the one redundant motion. Fr is equal to 1. Fr means the number of those motions which are not the part of the mechanisms. Then you have to use the degree of freedom formula, that is 3L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus F of R. Okay, then you have to use this formula. Consider the term redundant motion, then you can solve this question. But here it is written that the disk is rolling with slip, That means if you remove the disk from the mechanisms will affect, the mechanisms will be affected. So that is why this line is important. Okay, so your answer according to these questions is 2.